to relax and have a little nature walk. Whoa. I just realized, look at those trees. I think I'm gonna see lots of wild animals. Okay, I'm gonna go walk around. Woohoo!
I thought I was going to take a guy on a nature walk. Don't see him anywhere. Oh well, I'm gonna go play some Fortnite.
Wait!
I want to go on the nature walk. Okay, are you signed up?
Yes. Just take me on the nature walk. I just want to go ASAP.
Okay, let's go. Oh boy, a nature walk. All right, our first part of the nature walk, the sheep.
I'm gonna bah.
No, it's dangerous. Don't do that. You're gonna get hit by one.
Bah!
Ouch. Well, because you can't pretty much take the sheep because they hit you a lot, I thought we can do something simple.
Like what?
Like a sloth.
I'm afraid of heights.
This sloth is boring. Why do you think they're boring? Come on, man. Just look at this thing. It's amazing. Look at all the stuff it can do.
Hey guys down there. Can we please get out of this tree? I've been here for 10 years.
Yeah, you're right. They're pretty boring. I have a better idea. Instead of looking at animals, what about if we go smell the flowers?
Okay. Look. I don't smell flowers. Ever since I was 6 years old, I went over to a flower just to smell it, and a bee went in my nose and took out my special golden coin. You had a golden coin in your nose? Put it in a piggy bank or something and that won't happen.
Nose is my piggy bank. I even have a video for proof. Okay. Shut up and just play the video. Thank you.
La 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 la. Ooh, flowers. Hey, there's a bee on one of them. Hey, not my golden coin.
Bruh.
What?
On your collar. My coin.
I'm happy.
Yay! I'm happy. Yay! I got my coin. Okay, because the nature walk ended, you have to pay me some money. I thought this nature walk was free. Did you even read the description?
What do you mean in the description? I didn't look in the description. You know that when I signed up for this nature walk?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was free and I kinda,
Didn't bring my wallet. Why, you little...